For example, I
Poof, we're live. Hey guys, welcome to the stream. Welcome back. I know it's been 2 weeks now. Last week was a bit hectic for me, so I couldn't do it, but this week, much better. And today with us, we have actually not one, but two guests, you know, the second stream after the little break, and it's twice as good. So I don't think I should introduce them. You guys can introduce yourself. Say hello to the world.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, great introduction. Yes.
That started out awkwardly.
Yeah. So we have Davixxa, or how should I say your username?
Just Davixxa, that's fine.
Okay, Davixxa, and then we have Marin.
Yeah.
Is that okay? Okay,
Yeah.
we have Davixxa and Marin. You've seen them from the Discord. You've seen Marin on Relic. You've seen his resources, and you've seen Davixxa on some other Discord groups, I guess.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, and they'll be joining me today. Again, I'm winging it. I think they're winging it. I don't have any idea of what we can do today, but I'm going to work something out. And yeah, we're just going to talk about crap, hang out, and it's going to be a chill stream.
What do you
Chill
mean
one.
we aren't always winging it?
I mean, are we? Actually, for the first few streams I've had, like, I prepared an entire, like, Word document thingy of the things I want to cover, I want to do. And I've had it on my other screen while I was working on other stuff. So I've had a few scripted streams. But
Alright.
lately I just, yeah, I can't be bothered. It's that simple.
Yeah, in my opinion, it shouldn't even be scripted unless you're literally doing a talk show.
Yeah, probably. But I mean, it's always nice to have something prepared in advance, you know, so you don't have those, I don't know, I guess awkward gaps where you don't, you know, you just sit there in silence. And also,
No,
I do
that's
want to
true.
ask the stream if you can hear those guys well. That's, you know, maybe I should throughput more audio or something. Maybe like so. I don't know. Let me know how the audio goes. And welcome Jonas. Welcome 97 Studios. Welcome Shiny. Welcome Andarms. Welcome Piotr. Welcome Q. A lot of familiar usernames, not faces. But yeah. Actually, we can do some scripting work today. I know one thing I did want to do, and I am planning to do, and I've seen other people want me to do or other people to do, is some kind of alternative to the Pokegear. But I don't just want to, you know, remake the interface and have pretty much the same features. I would like to add something new. And I'm still thinking about what to add, you know,
Questing
some
system.
novelties.
Questing system, of course.
Yes. Yes, I was thinking, you know, when you run out of ideas, you just do a questing system. Yeah, we can do a questing system. Jonas equals 97. Okay. Man, you guys keep changing your usernames a lot. It's hard for me to follow. I have a limited memory. Yes. And for whoever has the stream, you know, tuned way up in the background, I'd recommend, you know, unless you want to hear your own echo.
Yeah, that's Marine.
Yeah.
I'm wearing well headphones, so.
Okay, then we know who the culprit is. He's being awfully quiet. It's
Shame.
Shy Dutch. Shame, for shame.
My accent's shit anyway.
That's actually
No,
fine.
it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. Like, you can hear my hardcore Eastern European, you know. Hello, guys. Welcome back. I can't
You
even
hear
tell.
my hardcore Danish accent. It sounds very stupid like this.
Can I? I can't. Good. Okay. Different account for different thing, Luca. Okay, and Lenny faces. You guys, if you overuse Lenny face, it loses its meaning and its impact. Don't overuse Lenny face.
No.
It has to be used artfully, right?
That I actually had a Lenny counter for a specific user on my Discord bot at some point because she overused Lenny so much. Like, we actually made a challenge where if she could keep not doing a Lenny for like 2 months, we would do something. I don't really remember what, but
With a little reward. For
yeah,
not abusing Lenny's.
yeah.
Yeah, we should do that here as well. Oh, one thing I do want to address. The channel passed 1K subs. You know? So that's cool, I guess. I didn't do anything, you know, quote-unquote special for it. Face reveal, or maybe testicle reveal or nipple reveal. Like, those two have been popular as well. And t-shirt giveaways, of course.
That's always popular.
Yeah. I don't know, man. I have 2 videos I'm working on. One should be coming hopefully soon, and it's of course to do with coding. Because, God forbid, a novel idea. No need for that. No need. Let me save this. Okay, back here. So, what now?
Questing interface.
Questing interface. Okay. Okay, I guess I'm going to get to designing, just so there's like some visual stuff in the background. I'm going to get designing the new smartphone kind of interface for the Pokegear. You know, I think that's like the simplest place to start from, and then add features in there, and maybe also try and make it modular. Like, have a simple system like I've done with the menu system to allow players to input their own apps and stuff like that. You know? I think it could work.
That actually sounds rather interesting, actually.
Yeah, it could be. I mean, it depends on the execution of things. But I guess it could be interesting. So the first thing is get a reference design, I guess. And I already know what I want to do, kind of, for the reference design. So include, you know, since I will be mimicking a smartphone type of deal thingy, you know, status bar would be appropriate.
Just please don't do iOS.
No iOS? Oh, but I have iOS. That's like the easiest thing for me to reference.
Well, it's actually
No, it's not,
true
it's not going to be a clone of iOS, of course. But, you know, pretty much these days, the Android and iOS look the same. Only Windows has its own thing going on.
Well, I would say that it looks different enough.
Oh,
well,
shit, sorry. Yeah, you do have a point there. No props, no props.
My voice is rather interesting, this guy says.
Is it?
I can't see that on my chat yet. That might just be
It's
mine.
in Discord PM.
Oh, this Scorpio.
Oh, kind of.
Oh, Laglavish is here. Hi from Germany. Ja, Deutschland. Wie geht's, mein Kollege? Oh, that's good. Das ist gut, ja. Yeah, this dude went to Germany, you know. He's like, oh my god, look at me. I have no money. I have no life. And then he's just traveling around, you know.
I came for an educational video, not a douchebag convention.
Always the funny guy. Always the funny guy. What educational videos like the ones you make?
Oh, snap.
Okay, so page indicators, because why not? You know? Yeah.
Indicators are probably easier than a scrolling bar.
Well, for me at this point, not anymore, because I have the code for the scrolling bar. So, you know, I can just copy and paste it. But I guess, well, the only thing that's going to be mildly annoying, but this can be fixed easily, is since I want him to be, you know, centered on screen and then get like dispersed depending on how many page indicators there are in total. Some math is going to have to be applied, but whatever. I don't think that's going to be... You know what? You know what I can do? Ah, yes. Ah, the beauty of having done things before is I can steal my own resources.
Yeah, and steal your own code and just copy paste it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
nice.
Yeah, like see like the battery indicators thingy. I have things done already. Because I'm probably going to have to copy my own code when it comes to battery stuff. I don't remember this stuff off the top of my head. I don't even know why I'm putting the battery indicator. I'm guessing it's, you know, to fill up some space. So it doesn't look bland.
It could, like, something that could be interesting is actually basing it off your actual battery on a laptop.
Yes. Laptop battery. If the battery is present, and then, I mean, the code, I have the code. Let me... Where's this guy? No? Let me try and open my other scripts. Aha, it's going to switch. Tools, advanced scene switchers, stop for the moment. Okay, so this guy, I was testing a lot of stuff here, and I have, if I'm not mistaken, I have something for status bar. Wait, status bar. Boot home screen, status bar, class. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, I do have stuff Win32 API for getting system status, and if I'm not mistaken, I have methods to fetch whether or not the battery is charging as well. So what I can do is, if the battery is charging, give it a new icon, like so, here, and like change the color inside of the battery indicator as well, which should be pretty simple to do since I've already done it. Hey, that's always nice.
That is always nice.
Would be cool. When is it?
Well, I wouldn't.
Make your own
Windows
operating
Phone.
system.
Windows Phone interface is literally terrible, though.
I haven't. Oh boy. I was never
think I
interested
have
in Windows
you.
Mobile. I was never interested enough in Windows Mobile to actually, you know, check what it's like. So I don't really know much about it.
I mean, you could make it 3DS-like, the interface.
3DS-like. I do want to keep the design language kind of constant with what I have going on when it comes to EBS and the other stuff as well.
That's true. That's a good thing.
Look at this. I made my own file explorer because
Wait,
boredom.
that actually works. Like that file explorer.
Yeah, it works. And like you can, you know, mass select files, go back, forth, copy, delete, rename, and stuff like that. It actually works. RGSS power. Like this is where I used to, you know, beta test all my different application specific stuff I wanted to do. So yeah.
Note to self, I should really begin learning. Yeah, I should really begin learning RGSS probably.
It depends where you see yourself in the future, because you know RGSS is so specific to just RMXP or the RPG Maker franchise until like MV and before XP, because RGSS 2 and 3 are pretty much the same thing, just a few different functions, code optimizations, different way of the in-game classes and stuff like that. But it's not, the thing is, RGSS on itself is not very translatable to other things, and Ruby on its own is not actually that popular. I mean, sure, you got Rails and people do like server backends on Ruby, but apart from that, I haven't seen anything else done with it. So,
I mean, it's just as a hobby.
Yeah, of course. As a hobby, it works. It definitely works as a hobby, and that's why I picked it up. Gesundheit.
That was my dad actually in the background.
Okay, well,
he's literally sitting
anyway.
outside. That shows how sensitive my microphone is.
Yes,
He's
it picks up
sitting
everything. That's so nice.
He's sitting 2 walls away. The only thing that actually makes me able to hear it myself is because I have an open window and he's sitting outside.
Well, I closed
Because
my
it's
doors
so
so
damn hot.
you guys can't hear my big bro. I shut him out.
Yeah.
Oh, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, Jeff and MV does not use RGSS anymore. They switched to JavaScript. No, wait, that's not what I wanted.
Fuck JavaScript. Actually, why not Python?
Well, I really don't know what the executive decision could have been, except for maybe the cross-platform compatibility.
That exists on Python as well. In fact, Python is pre-installed on Linux.
Yes, I know. Python is very popular on Linux.
So,
But I haven't, I mean, I know Django is cross-platform as well, but when it comes to the performance and how easy it is to code for the different platforms, I don't know, man. But I've been dicking around with some JavaScript lately, and while of course it's not my favorite programming language, it's not that bad. It's decent. It's doable, I guess. You can tolerate it.
It's true. It sucks for Discord butting though.
Well, I haven't gone into that too much, but what I did notice is that what's its face? Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer have a very, very, very shitty time like running my website. So I had to do some JavaScript stuff to turn off certain like visual animations and things like that in Internet Explorer. I have no idea what's going on. Like Chrome renders it 60 FPS, no problem, you know. Everything works. But Edge, nope.
Secret.
Oh, you know what I can do? Aha, a new feature for this interface. I could have a notification type of thing where users can set their own pastebin stuff and then like give active updates and notifications to the players online. What do you think?
That's actually a good idea. Like sort of like the mystery gifting feature made into Essentials by default.
Yes, so the setup would be the same thing. It would just read a raw txt file, and you'd of course have to format it, like for example each line separated by commas for whatever I want to include. And I think yeah, kind of like a news thing, you know, like how eShop on Nintendo stuff has the news stuff as well. Okay, so I haven't gotten online yet with my custom firmware. Reading the stuff further on GBA temp with regards to the band wave, for those of you who don't know or haven't caught up with the stuff or aren't even interested in the homebrew scene, basically anyone running custom firmware is getting banned by Nintendo from using their online services. So I decided
basically just stay offline for now.
Yeah, I decided not to risk it and not to do it because I do appreciate my 3DS and its full functionality. And like I said, I mainly got my homebrew in order to play my Legend of Zelda game that I got an NTSC version gifted for my birthday. And I couldn't play. Because I've pretty much, I have all the games purchased I wanted. I got the mainline Pokemon games purchased that I wanted. I've got Majora's Mask, which I wanted. The Zelda game and everything, so... I don't know. Piracy is not that big of a deal to me. It's not a big field of interest, I should say.
Meanwhile, there's me. I cracked literally all of the Pokemon games. And installed...
Oh, Pokegenning, yes. I did do a bit of genning as well with my homebrew.
No, well, I didn't generate them. I just cracked all of the games using the app that must not be named on certain other Discords.
To be honest, I don't really know what exact app you're referring to, but whatever.
Well, mind if I mention it? I don't know how.
No, what is it?
The free shop.
Oh, the free shop. Yeah, I've heard of it. I don't have it. Wait, so you get games from there?
Yeah, you can.
I don't know.
You just have to set it up with the title keys.
I had no idea. I do like FBI and the fact that you can like install a lot of the homebrew application as CIAs and then have them on your main screen thingy, so you don't have to like go through the homebrew browser each and every the launcher every time, which is cool.
The main problem though is that's part of the reason why people are getting banned, as far as I can tell. Since pretty much any unauthorized application, of course, gets logged to the activity log. Yeah. And that stuff is probably getting sent to Nintendo.
Yeah, makes sense. But from what I've seen as well, it's not just that the illegitimate applications are what's causing the problem, but it's that they're actually detecting custom firmware. So I don't know, from what I've read, it sounded like even if I used my legit copy of Omega Ruby and went online, I would still get banned.
Yeah, that's true. But what it's detecting is most likely through Spot Pass and what else? Spot Pass and that was this other thing. Shit, I forgot. Yeah, the friends list. The friends list.
Thank God my friends list is empty.
No, that does not matter.
No, I know.
Because
I was just joking.
If you haven't disabled the share game title you're on, that is a clear-cut way to get banned.
All right, makes sense. That makes sense. IKEA Swede. Wait, let me try to read this name. IKEA Swedes Möbelfabrikant. Hello.
It's actually Dutch.
That looks
Welcome.
awfully similar to Danish.
IKEA Zweeds meubelfabrikant.
Oh, yes, there we go.
That's also how you pronounce it in Danish, pretty much.
Oh my god, that just rolled off the tongue so
the
nicely.
Danish word. IKEA Swedes Möbelfabrikant. Fuck, I fucked that up. I forgot the fact that the fabricant was there, and just read it as Fabrik.
Yeah, but seriously, what's with the names? What's with the names, you guys? You guys. Nope. Okay. What do I have? Button designs. Nope. Ha ha. Triggered. Oh boy. These are editable. Because why do extra work? Yeah, so back onto the DS thing. Yes, I'm going to, you know, restrain myself from going online for a bit. I don't really care about online multiplayer that much, to be honest. I've never, like, in my life, I've rarely ever used it. I can't remember the last time I went to play a online multiplayer thingy. I'm just, you know, when it comes to me and multiplayer games, I've always been that, you know, old school sort of couch gamer thing where you get friends over and then you all play together, you know, on one TV and stuff like that.
Meanwhile, I'm clear cut in the other half. I pretty much when I have play with friends, we generally all bring computers.
Yeah.
So literally, it wouldn't be unusual for us to spot for my parents to spot me and a couple of other friends just on the dinner table play with like 5 different computers when we held LANs.
LAN party.
Yeah, at home.
Yeah. I don't know. You know, when it comes to games, I've stopped I've stopped playing games for it's been a while since I properly played the last game. I mean, Zelda was now, you know, I finally got into it. Which was a nice experience. It was really dope. No, I don't like this. Zelda's such a good game, man. Yeah, but there's so many problems with the Switch, with the game as well. But yeah, when it comes to like multiplayer stuff, I did it locally, always exclusively, you know. And that's the same thing. Like right now, okay, there's one game I play online, which is Minecraft. But I don't play that very often, you know, every now and then with my bros. And I don't know, I'm thinking maybe getting like Mario Kart 8 with some extra pro controllers for my Oni-chans to play when they get here, you know, with us would be cool. Because we don't live together, they live cross-continent, and they're coming over for the summer, you know, and blah blah blah. Good times. Sounded like Dutch. IKEA Swedish furniture fabricant. Yes. Pretty sure it's Dutch. Yeah, I have this friend who is constantly, you know, he's trolling me, trying to get me, you know. He's like, let's go to Holland, come on, let's do it.
I should troll you into pronouncing Danish. Like, I just thought about that, because Danish is almost harder to pronounce than Dutch.
Yes, I know, I've seen I've seen like some of the words, how they're spelled and how they're pronounced. It makes no sense. Yeah, if my dear friend Glavash was here, he'd start singing a song. Yeah.
Of course.
Just missing an E between Zvids and Möbel. Indeed. You're interested in adding features to your interface inspired by the Nintendo Switch? Inspired by the Nintendo Switch? Like, when it comes to the base OS, how many features does it have? Not too many. Like, honestly, the OS on Switch is extremely bare bones. It doesn't have much. Like, you can capture screenshots, and you can post those to either Facebook or Twitter. And you can only exclusively post stuff. I don't think it has a web browser. If it does, I haven't found it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You have the eShop, you have the settings, and voila. You're done. But the UI does look sleek. It looks nice. Oh, local multiplayer. It's a losing art. Ah, come on. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. You want to be in the next stream? Well, hit me up on what's it called? Discord. Oh, yes, we'll arrange something. Probably get a game, blah blah blah. I'm actually thinking about starting Pokemon in Unity. There's already a decent about made by major things missing is the Pokédex. Yeah, sure. The only thing what I really I did take a look at the Unity engine for Pokemon, And the main thing I really dislike is the whole mapping and eventing aspect of things. It's like events are handled in these nested drop-down thingies in the inspector, and mapping is just it's way too much. You gotta like map your stuff, then export it in Blender, then make your tiles and tile the entire map, and then overlay that as a texture, and then do, you know, final edits in Blender and stuff like that, and then export it as an object file, and then import it into Unity. And what? It's a bit too convoluted for my taste. Yeah, it's too complicated. And the thing is, there's like a few options out there which are free in the asset store. For example, tile draw. It's a tile-based mapping system, which maps 3D maps, and it's very easy to use. You have like details, and you can place objects, you can place individual tiles, you can have different elevations when it comes to the maps, and it calculates the vertices. It's a lost art. Oh, it's a lost art, not a losing art. Oh, my bad. Yes, sumimasen. Please don't hold it against me. Oh, mighty Sue. But yeah, you have like some options which are free for Unity. Unity has a lot of good paid assets. If you have the money to dish out, you know, there you go. You can like have half of your stuff already made for you. Let's go to Holland. Really? Why? There's nothing there here. It's just another country that tries to feel important. My friend has a fetish with Holland. It's this thing. Feeling, it's a phase.
That feeling when you will never again be a global, a colonial superpower, or just colonial power in general. Because apparently Denmark had colonies at some point.
Oh,
well, we still do, but that's mainly just Greenland.
The fudge. Sorry guys, I'm trying to constipate over here. No problem. And yes, I know I've used the wrong word. Yes, no need to correct me. I don't know, I'm trying to think of something that will not look offensive. Maybe having like a Windows Windows 10 type of tiled thingy is not a bad idea. I don't know how I want to approach this thing.
Tiles just look so bad though, like the Windows tiles.
Yeah, I'm not a fan. I'm really not a fan of the whole Metro interface. I didn't like it the way they introduced it in Windows 8. I'm not a bigger fan of it in Windows 10. Yeah.
I mean,
some people like it.
It's not strictly terrible anymore, but it's just not what we want.
Yes. Like, I think the macOS Yosemite update did like a nice refresh when it comes to its interface, like keeping it, you know, in line with the modern design philosophy while retaining that old school feel, you know, when it comes to the general UI. And I do like their like the frosted glass effects and stuff like that. Can't say that I'm against it. I thought people already found the browser in the Switch. I don't know. If there is a browser, I haven't heard of it. I haven't seen it. I don't know. Like, there's no. I wish the Switch had like an App Store type of thing in their eShop, because right now you can only, you know, buy games. And I wish you had things like maybe a YouTube app on there, you know, to watch some videos, or Netflix or something like that. Then it could compete with the other home console things, you know, and you'd have like Netflix on the go in a portable, which is also nice, for example.
Well, the Switch does have a browser. It's just locked down because what happened with the 3DS and its browser.
Yeah, browser hacks.
And speaking of hacks in the browser, the browser has already been hacked in the Switch. So,
well, I haven't like I've abstain when it comes to, you know, my Switch is brand new and I really don't want to dick around with it just yet. So
yeah, it's also
I'm
early.
not even interested in homebrew at this moment.
Yeah, it's early, but it has been hacked.
Well, oh boy. Hackers on the scene. I mean, the Switch should be, you know, an interesting point. If the hackers were so interested in the Wii and it got hacked, and the Wii U as well, like my brother told me that you can like bypass and create your entire NAND on the Wii U and like have it run exclusively through there in kind of its own environment. So even if you mess stuff up there, it's not going to reflect on your base system and brick your base system, which I think is really cool. Like homebrew has come a long way. I remember when I bricked my Wii. Good times.
I remember when I risked bricking my Wii. I don't know where that Wii is. It somehow disappeared. I swear to God, I don't know how. But that I found everything related to that Wii, except the Wii itself. Even the damn cables, but not the console itself.
Sorry, I'm just reading the comments. There's been a lot of them since I've last checked. And you guys can't see the comments. Let me put this up. Oh boy. Oh boy. It uses the best coding language currently alive, C#. Come on, dude. Come on, bro. While a Unity Pokemon engine shouldn't aim for the beginning market, it should still try to be quick to use. Yes, especially for tedious things like world building. I think that RMXP and the RPG Maker series in general has this part nailed down like to perfection. I have never seen a system that's as easy to use as RMXP mapping plus eventing engine is. And
it is really
I don't
easy.
know. It's so good. Everything is, you know, you can just, even if you don't have any experience with RMXP, you can just pick it up, start drawing some maps, click around in the user interface to find what you can do with events and stuff like that. And it's very nice for the beginner, you know, portion of the user base. And it's mainly, you know, hardcore programmers or hardcore serious professional game devs are always going to make their own engines, you know. This is intended for beginners who want to have like this introductory step into game development, and I think it does it great. I really can't complain. My old teacher had a fetish with Poland every 3 minutes. It was one after another. Instead of learning economics, I was learning about Poland. Yes, my friend has a fetish with Holland, so there. Yeah, it's quite small. My uncle lives in Poland. Miriam, I'm from Poland. Yes, Piotr is from Poland. I have a really good friend from Poland as well. I haven't heard from him in ages. Hey, Luca, is Marin's mic broken? I don't know. Is it?
Oh,
I can't hear you. Are you silent?
I realized what's wrong.
I'm sorry.
Yes, you're silent. It's that shyness, you know, with the beginner stream. I get it. I get it. I get it.
I'm actually an idiot. I just realized why I couldn't get into the game is because the map, which is no longer necessary. Because I merged that map together with another one.
Okay, let's try something. Let's go. Oh boy. Going to be fresh.
I know my keyboard is loud.
Oh man, I've played around with a really nice mechanical keyboard, Cherry MX Red switches. It's such a beauty to type on.
Yeah, this is actually MX Reds.
Oof, that's so good, man. I really do like those key switches.
It's the Corsair K70. Yeah, K70 RGB with reds.
I think you know which one you're talking about. I haven't had any hands-on experience, but pretty much Corsair's keyboards are always, you know, people often praise them.
Great.
Yeah. The one I was playing with was the Logitech G Series Orion Red, I think, something like that. And I really liked it. It's a very heavy keyboard. Like it has that, you know, nice heavy feel to it. And the key is like the MX Red switches. They're so nice and tactile and audible and everything.
I've heard
Yes.
blue should be more audible though.
Well, you know, there's a limit to how audible things should be.
True.
But I think like the reds, you know, they hit a nice sweet spot. No, I don't. Maybe if I don't know, guys, I'm stuck. I don't know how to design this thing. Oh boy.
Well, how much I know is that I don't think it should be. Oh shit! Jesus Christ! What the fuck happened to that? Well, what I do think is that it should not really be
What?
those long rectangles on the stream right now. I don't really. I'm
Not
not
the
really a
long
fan
ones?
of that. Yeah, but they're at least for applications. Well, for the icons.
Well, my thought was like, since I don't know how I want to do it visually, I was thinking of maybe having like a small icon and then like some flavor text, you know, on the side. Something along those lines.
That could work. Let's try just fleshing it out a bit, and then we can see. Let's see. This character should be moved, but not do there.
So I haven't asked you, what exactly are you working on when it comes to the RMXP stuff?
Just really a test project, if anything else. Well, if anything,
Okay.
just messing around with it, learning the interface, which I think I've nailed down now. Now it's really just mapping and vending I'm messing around with, since I suck at mapping still. Alright, set move route.
Who you have registered?
Let's see.
What's the default font size? I think 13. Maybe let's check it out. Power clear.
27. This 2722. That is where exactly that is off that pixel. It should be right here. So 1, 2, 3, 5.
6, 7, 8.
Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, no, that's wrong. So 7 left. No, I'm getting this completely wrong.
Do you have a pet there in the background?
Me?
Yeah.
That's just a bird outside.
Okay. Do you have any pets?
No, my little brother has asthma, so hay fever. We had to put our old cat down.
Oh boy. Asthma. Such a great thing to have in your life.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like I particularly care all that much because I've already, like, Cat really did not care about us.
Yeah.
So move up to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What about something along these lines?
That actually looks alright.
But I feel like that's too much wasted space. Then again, there's not too many apps you have in the thingy right now. I mean, I could squeeze them further. Probably should.
I mean, it's not too bad.
I don't know. The thing is, like I said before, I do want to keep it in line with what I'm working with when it comes to the other user interfaces, because consistency. Unless somebody doesn't like these sort of things for some reason, but then again, they could change it up themselves if they do feel inclined to do so. Sue is being extremely quiet. Usually he has a mouthful to say when it comes to these things. Oh, this is rubbish. Go do this, go do that. My body's ready. Hit me. Yeah, I'm not feeling it.
Yeah, rows of 3 don't really work out in my opinion.
Yeah. What did I do for my own stuff? Like...
that moment when you have one move command too many. That
One
moment when
move
you
command
have
too many.
Yep.
PBS. That's why you should use Marin's, you know.
Oh, that exists.
PBS
Fuck.
editor. Yes.
Ja.
It exists. It exists. It's terrible. Joking,
No,
joking. I even have it. I haven't used it since I don't do PBS stuff much, but look at this.
Oh,
super
no,
gem.
you're misunderstanding
diamonds.
me. You're misunderstanding me. What I'm referring to is like in move routes.
Oh, okay, okay. You're eventing.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. No problems detected with the program.
Apparently there was one too many still. That's annoying.
Consistency across all GUIs would look dull, honestly. Staring at the same style of interface over and over again, no matter what you do. Interesting. Gotta go for Alligator, gotta go. Don't worry, man. See ya around. See you next stream. Same Jeffet as well. Sorry for me being so late with these comments this week. Trying to do multitask, do everything. Okay, so GUI consistency would look dull. Okay, I get the point. I shall take the point to heart. Okay, so one thing, like I said, I do want to include some kind of online thingy here. But I have such limited screen space. I don't know how I want to set up the notifications. If I want to have them like overlay the UI in some style. Let's check this out. UI consistency could look boring. That's true. That is true.
At least if there's too much of it, that is. Also, where are you getting those messages from? I can't. My chat isn't updating if that's the case.
I have my phone turned on to the thing, the live stream. I'm like following the stream there, and I'm getting the chat from there, live chat.
Yeah, I know, but I'm having that on my second monitor, but it's not. But that comment just never appeared on mine.
Sometimes it does that. I have no idea why. For example, at some points I can see comments, like if I go to if I switch over to the scene and you can see the comments on the right side of the screen, sometimes I can see like comments there that I don't see on my phone as well. So I don't know what's going on. There has been a few instances where I skipped over comments because it just, they didn't show up on my phone. The Pokegear isn't the standard UI interface, really. It's a design product in-game, same with the Pokemon storage and Pokedex. So to have them all look the same is even... That actually makes sense. That makes a lot of sense to me.
Yeah, that's
surprisingly. True. So I could go for something different. By the way, what I was thinking of is integrating the system options as a part of this thing right here as well. And adding extra things like being able to change backgrounds of the thing here, set it to custom background, apply hues and stuff like that. So you can maybe customize your interface a little, at least this like smartphone app type of thing.
You know what could be great actually? In my opinion, it could be great with being able to set your own set your own background. That way you could also make use of your file explorer.
Oh no. No, I'm not including that here. It's not that. It's a really big hassle for me to first of all try and port into Essentials, because I don't know what the heck is compatible in there, and it has a lot of dependencies on the stuff I've done before. And secondly, if it has bugs, and keeping that thing up to date, and it's a huge piece of script.
Oh yeah, true. I did not think about that.
Okay, so notifications, background customization. What else? Practical features, let's say. What other practical features we could do? Oh, you know what? I have an idea. Nope. Where is this thing? I think, yeah. Oops. I don't remember what I did for my own stuff. I should probably check it out. Okay.
This GIF. And now I'm getting the messages.
Now you're getting them. Okay. So yeah, that's what I thought. Trainer settings. Okay, I could do a wallpaper slideshow as well. Oh my god, this is so bad. Ah, haha, doodling app. Oh wait, let's look at that. Oh, I totally forgot that was a thing.
I reference Steinsgate too much. Well, and the rest of the Saab series. I do that way too much.
In the game?
Yeah. There seems to be.
Think that's an issue.
Yeah, true. There seems to be research papers on something called Gigalomania. It's probably better not to pry in the professor's research, which is of course a reference to the Chaos series. I
haven't watched the Chaos series. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm watching like these animes right now. I'm following I think eight or so shows, maybe 6. No, actually 6 or 7 shows that are currently airing. And then if I had to get into more anime, oof. I just know, especially with my finals coming up soon, I know exactly what I would do if I get into a good series. I would just no life it. And
but just don't watch the Chaos series animes. They're bad. The stories themselves are good, but they are just executed poorly in the anime.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I would honestly, no joke, call Chaos Head Madhouse's worst production.
Oh, Chaos Head is by Madhouse. Oh, yeah. Oh. What am I making? I don't know, man. I don't know. Much works. Who knows? Nobody knows.
I should honestly do some interface customization on this, just because I haven't actually done any.
Well, I encourage it, especially when it comes to the title screen. I've had this discussion yesterday, and I did come across, quite snobby and like a prick, but whatever, dude. Like, title screen, at least customize the title screen you have. Jesus. Switch out the Pikachu for something that makes sense for your game. It's like I'm seeing, Pokemon Ultimate Fight Edition version Volcano something, and then they have like that stock animation of Pikachu shitting out a rainbow. It doesn't make sense. Not to me.
Yeah. I mean, it makes sense that it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
If that sentence made any sense.
Oh wow, frame rates.
Let's see. I should pirate fireworks.
You should pirate fireworks?
Yeah.
We condone strictly legal activities here.
Yeah. So it's strictly legal. I am going to trial the. I'm going to use the trial of fireworks just indefinitely.
Okay, that makes sense. Huh. Oh, that's gonna freeze. Nope. The fudge. What's the chat thinking? What features would you like to see in this kind of new interface? Okay, so to give you guys context for those of you who are just joining fresh, first of all, we have 2 guests on the stream, which is great, at least mildly interesting. One of them is extremely quiet today. Like, what's up, dude? You've been forcing me to put you on the stream for weeks. But yeah, I wanted to work on at least design a alternative to the Pokegear. So I want it to be based on today's smartphone age thing. So, the visual cues off a smartphone and things like that. But for the functionality, I'm still debating on what to add. I do want to add like some kind of, online interaction for players or for the developers to post like certain notifications or information for the player to read then in game. Customization, I also want to do. I do want to keep this actually modular, much like the pause menu, for easy, implementation of custom aspects for you guys. They're going to use it in the end and things like that. Just give us the Pokecom. Looking back at it now, it's kind of a crappily coded thing. It doesn't really work well. And let me pause this for a moment. Yeah, I mean, you gotta keep in mind, this is like 6-year-old code or maybe 7-year-old code when it comes to the stuff I've done with Blue Chrome. So, I've improved since then, I think. Yeah,
I do not even want I do not even want to look at the code I made back then, like 6 or 7 years ago.
Oh my god, look at this. Why do I have a loop here? What begin? What is this? What is this? Look at this, no indentation. Look at my code. Holy crap, look at the comments. Look at the else if. Oh my god, Marin, come. Look at the code. Is
it in the Pokécom?
It's the phone UI thing I worked on for my own fan game when I was working on my own fan game. And look at it, it's so bad. Oh
god, no.
look at this face. No. Look at the comments. There you go, guys. I mean, look at this. That's some good file indentation right there. Like, yes.
Oh god,
I should turn this into a whole new tutorial series, like how to make your code like.
Also, like Pokécom is a good robotics notes reference. Like, you should just honestly keep the name as that.
My thingy was like Poke Communicator, and com as shortened because I was going to include lots of. But look at this. Else end, like it's here, and then indented here, and then what's this, and then what's that? Where does this end belong to? Oh my god.
But yeah, basically the Pokécom is actually a thing in robotics notes.
What's that stand for?
It doesn't actually have anything it stands for as far as I know, but it's literally the fucking Switch just 7 years before.
The Switch.
Well, yeah, it was. It's literally just the Switch, but without the icons. So I had regular tablet, but it looks so similar.
Oh, maybe Nintendo got some inspiration from anime. That'd be good. Conspiracy? I think not. Clap A features I would like to see. How to code like Luca? Yes. I should be showing this. This like puts a stain on my career. Oh god.
I should not even. I don't even know if I still have my code from back when I did Roblox scripting. That was when I began.
Oh, Roblox, best game.
Let's see, do I have it? Might have it buried somewhere deep within my E drive or something like that. Let's see, that would probably be stored within old PC stuff.
Oh my god,
which of
so
course
bad.
It is not. Why do I have this stuff lying around?
Oh, I'm literally an observer. You sent this to me at 9:20, Marin. Sorry, my bad. Discord, I've set it to busy, or what's do not disturb. Yes, I'm not getting notified of any messages. Okay, wait. Yeah, but as you can tell, my previous code is extremely bad. So no, I don't want to share this. I want to make something that's actually worth making. Look at this. This is so bad. Ugh. Let's close this Primal Steelix game. It's a terrible game.
Primal Steelix?
Yes, Primal Steelix.
That sounds, no offense, but that sounds so cringy.
Yeah, I know, man. It's an exclusive game. And look at this dope ass intro. Oh, presents. Oh, so professional. Oh, Pokemon production. 2008 till 2012. Pokemon Essential 7, version 7. Holy crap, this thing is old. So I've been working on the game for Yeah, 4 years, 2008 to 2012. That's 5 years out of commission. Oh, that's nice.
Jeez. It was still a dual screen?
No, it's kind of like a elongated vertical screen. And this shouldn't have been a thing. And when I did it, a lot of people decided, oh my god, that's so good. Why don't we do it as well? And looking back at it now, I'm not a huge fan. But I guess, you know, it was around the time me being extra hyped about smartphones and stuff like that. So I wanted to have an interface that reflects that, basically.
And
the one thing I did like, was the like key item replacement I did. Oh boy. I did a few things with the game. I've made a climate system. This was like the precursor for EBS. You know? It looked a bit different, but kind of same. Same, but different. But still same.
It actually, like, frame rate aside, it actually looks alright.
The frame rate is a bit worse than it actually is in the game because I'm streaming at the same time, having fireworks open at the same time, having real-time audio processing open at the same time, so my RMXP frame rate always drops. It usually performs better, but the frame rate is not the best thing ever. I agree. Like especially on maps.
It's better than I expected.
I don't know why I'm doing this. I should just debug myself. But yeah, I included I could do an autosave feature thing.
Yeah, that...
For Essentials.
That would be great, actually. I know a lot of people would appreciate that. Why do I have a folder on my hard drive literally just called S and one called SA?
Sword Art?
No.
Confirmed? Sword Art confirmed?
What is the subscribe.pdn file? Oh, that was something for my personal stream, which I should never have made.
Okay, yeah, so this is one of the cool things I liked about the fan game I was working on at the time. So, you see, I don't know if you're following the stream, but for those of you who are, I have like, you know, like you have shrubs, bushes, and stuff like that normally. And I've basically turned them into key items which have a certain amount of durability, which gets reset and refilled depending on how many steps you've taken. So for example, if I activate I forgot what I called it, but like each orb had an individual name. And anyway, you use this, you have like an animation, and then this thing shrinks down. And I've done a similar thing to the Lens of Truth in the Zelda series with one of the key items as well, which is this one right here. So you turn it on and then you can see like hidden items in a radius. Oh, I had to go into battle right now. Come on, dude. You're messing up my swag.
I'm just waiting for the connection. Sorry, not for the connection, but for the stream to catch up.
Oh, there it is. There it is. There's the item. Poof. And see, like, the durability goes down, and it's reflected in the icon, in the menu as well. Then you got things like for light, for dark caves, you know. I've also replaced fly with this thing right here. So you can like fly to cities. And it's got a nice animation. Actually, you can't see it very well here. I'm going to show it off again here. So if I go and teleport actually to the city right here. Look at this. He starts levitating. The shadow also like gets smaller and then poof. Okay, autosave feature. Yeah, this can be done easily. You need to get on my level, man. Yes, exactly. Get on my level. Scrub.
Same.
Scrub a dub. Especially with my old scripts. I mean, those were just amazing. Okay.
I mean, I started learning proper programming practice, but I still think I'm so fucking terrible at it.
Why? I mean, if you're just starting out, that's okay.
That was mine.
Pretty much. Got it.
I should honestly just turn off, turn it on vibration only.
I've set the stuff too. Okay, should the autosave only take into... Nah, man, I'll have it update constantly in the background. And I think I have something for like notifications. Oh, I gotta still finish up some animations. Pretty sure I had it, not here. Hidden somewhere. Secretly. No.
I think I actually might have purged my
Never mind.
my old Roblox scripts. It's a shame because I wanted to see how bad they were, but I might actually have done it.
I've never played Roblox. Never.
I mean, I did it back then because I was a cringy 10-year-old.
Yeah, it's a phase. Luca, if I post some features I would like in the Discord, will you read it? Yes, I will. Post away.
Curry's at a pie, never. That's...
Doesn't help that I'm quite... Here's your autosave. PB quick save. So, are you trying to imply that you already did an autosave script? Is that it? Is that the implication I'm supposed to work with? Dude, you're connected on voice. Just reply there. Yo, real quack. I'll check Discord real quack. Look, I honestly don't know if you've done an autosave script or not. No idea. But what I want to do is maybe... Okay, so... breakdown of features for the autosave. Have the autosave script save at certain intervals defined by the user. So that's one thing. Every 30 seconds, every 1 minute or something like that. And then like show a notification in the top right corner or something like that of the screen. Not very intrusive, very minimalistic, saying like saved or something like that, or saving. And then also have the option to keep your normal save file and your auto save file separate. Pokemon Essentials Wiki adding autosave. Oh my god. Laptop always dies when I do this. Modified autosave.
Rip.
This is total by case collapse. Yeah, okay, that's what I meant as well. Class scene maps. Okay, so this updates on the scene map. My change would be that it would update constantly in the background. So it would be tied to the modules, to the graphics module. So with every single frame update, it would take that into account and then save your thing. Transition, and this also this pauses from what I can see, is it kind of hangs your game for a bit while it's saving. Because it does the graphics transition thingy for 40 frames, 20 frames, which I don't want to do. I want you to be able to continue your game as normal. It's just going to overlay something. And I probably don't want the autosave to be there in battles. So, yeah, that's actually very, very important. And during running events. Okay, so when events are running, it can't autosave, and when the game is running, and when battles are running, it can't autosave. Shoot. Maybe I should bind it to the scene map. Hmm. Code images below, blah, 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 blah. Can't you hear me? No, I can't hear you. Nope. No, Marin, you're pretty much not audible in my ears. Du hast ein Stream zu gucken. Bring that shit back. Making games.
Oh,
yes,
geez.
title. Oh.
Just
Thundaga
watching
should bring back streams.
Just watching Practices of a Pro video. Holy shit, that's actually funny.
Oh. Yes, 1000 degree knife versus fidget spinner. Okay. Sorry, I was I wasn't concentrating. Can you say it again?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
It was just that I was watching the Coding Practices of Pro video. Because I wanted to get around to it, but I never actually did it. and I did not walk into it realizing it was a joke video, but
yeah,
you can still take something
I was going to
away
make a
from it
serious
though.
video, but yeah, like the things not to do, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's definitely, it's something. I don't know, man. I wanted to do a serious video, but then I couldn't be bothered, and then I did like a spoof thingy, and with a clickbait title, clickbait thumbnail, and everything clickbait as it should be.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, so I check with the. I said not battles and not. What can you think that could potentially screw up your save file if it autosaves at a bad moment? The thing I'm thinking of right now currently is only the events, because that can get you like stuck in a perpetual loop of events, so you shouldn't be saving during events. And same thing with the battle system, like if it saves in the middle of the battle, it's no bueno. Autosave. I mean, this should be a relatively easy script to bake.
I'll be right back. I'll just
check something out.
go and get something.
Yeah, no problem, no problem.
Also gonna close the window.
Take your time, bro.
Right.
It's not an issue. Class. Wait. I forgot to turn this back on. Oh, it is on. Pokeball, blah, 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 blah. Definitionalize. Okay. underscore battle, alias, initialize, auto save, def initialize, lise, args, equals false, return, args, and then alias pb end battle, I think, pb end battle, that's scene end battle. PB start battle. Okay. PB start battle. Start battle. Def PB start battle. Args. Ret is equal to PB start battle underscore auto save. Args. Enabled is equal to true and return ret. So that should take care of this. Auto saving should be fine as long as it happens when the player is able to do something themselves, i.e. moving or accessing the pause menu. Let's actually test it. I can quickly test it out. Def quick auto save. Let's see how the save structure is handled. Pre-screen save. Welcome back.
Thanks.
Welcome back. If PB saved. I can just call def PB save. Okay. For now, def PB save. I think I didn't see it as a dependent on a class. No, it's its own individual thing. Okay, that's good. That's thank you, Maruno. Essentials is beautiful. Let me actually check it. I do want to try and break the thing somehow. PB save. Let's see if I can break saves. That'd be cool. Syntax error occurred. Oh, lol. Auto saving should be fine as long as it happens where the player is Pokeball. Huh. Okay, if I open my menu, this should save automatically, and it did. What's the game state going to be like? I mean, yeah, from what I can tell, it only saves... Yeah, it saves trainer data and stuff like that. Yeah. Exactly, so unless an event is processing, it should be fine. And as well the battle, like I said.
Well, actually, Essentials actually handles saving rather well when it is.
Yeah, I think so too.
I've had a situation happen when an event crashed something, but it's saved during that event automatically for some reason, and it just started me off from the next command. I think it had something to do with battles, and it just said, "Okay, I'll just save, and then you can reload from the battle when you reload the game."
I don't know. I haven't seen any like auto-saving thing for Essentials. I don't know why it would save like mid-event.
I mean, that's just happened to me once. I've not been able to reproduce it.
Yeah. I mean, even if this emergency save, like the script is taking too long, the game will restart and it saves. If save exists. Oh, it makes the backup as well. Oh, that's nice as well. So I was thinking of the autosave like being, yeah, RIP. He is no longer with us. Bless his soul. His microphone is not. He says he can't get audio out, which is a shame.
Oh.
So I was thinking of the autosave being like a separate save entity, that you can choose on load whether or not you want to start from the autosave or the manual save. What do you think? I can kind of have more control when it comes to this stuff, apart from the basic saving.
Oh, you were talking to me? Sorry, I was not paying attention.
It's okay.
It happened. Like, I was just
so
completely spaced out.
No, my idea was maybe like keep, or at least backup like the old save file. Because what happens if the player doesn't want to autosave? Like, let's say they fight a legendary and then the autosave saves after they've accidentally beaten the legendary, and then they're like, no, my save. So yeah, I probably should avoid that thing.
How are legendaries marked in the like in PBS as legendaries?
I don't think there's any special like legendary trait or status. They just have a higher base stat total.
All right. I mean, if it was,
you have a miss. Well, technically, any Pokemon in the PBS can be a legendary. So, I don't think there's anything like that says, oh, this is a legendary one, so you can like fetch a list of legendary Pokemon. I think you'd have to do stuff like that manually.
That obviously wouldn't be
you can
ideal.
have a message saying how long you have listed. I don't even know how many people would use a feature like this, to be completely honest.
Also, saving is really
should
handy.
Definitely be sacrificed.
But yeah, separate files.
You still like the save file to be in the root folder? I used to think that way as well, but I kind of prefer it to be in the saved games folder, because that way you, I don't know, like when you update your game, you just have to change your game files, your save will remain the same. Or if you delete the game and get a new version, or if it comes out of the demo and stuff like that, you don't have to manually transfer over the save file. So it's much easier. Features, notification panel similar to iOS and Android. That's for this thing. Yes. Match call. I don't know what that is, but the phone is in the Pokegear, so it'll be here as well. Region map is in the Pokegear, it'll be here as well. Notifications, yeah, that's already handled. Some sort of messaging system for events. Messaging system for events.
Also, in regards to handling, notifications, I would suggest taking a look at how Discord does embeds. like their embeds.
Can you repeat that? The connection just like cut out a bit.
All right. Basically, for the notification system,
Yes.
that would be. I would recommend you taking a look at how Discord in code does their events. Their embeds, because that makes a whole ton of sense. Like for coding. Hold on, I can just send you the documentation, at least for the Python one.
Sure.
That would be
Didn't
good.
Major release an Odyssey script? Everybody released an Odyssey script. I don't know, man. I don't keep up. GPS displays what map you're on. Isn't the GPS the same thing as the map? Region map? What? Okay, wait. Let me read this. Discord embed.
Yeah, I think actually I may have done that, sent the wrong part, but basically the embed has a title, of course, and stuff, and it's really logical to use. Hold on, if I can find some embed code from my own bot. Might be a little spaghetti, but it'll get the job done. Not this one, the JavaScript version of Query. I have way too many versions. Beam commands.py.
And you're typing.
Yeah, I know. Sorry.
No, don't apologize. It wasn't a criticism. I'm just saying it says you're typing on Discord.
No. Now it should also be highlighted. This is just for a command I made. Color dead BF. I really love the fact that that's a valid hex color.
Oh, I see. It's interesting.
And then for Discord, you just send along. Send along the embed in a message. I actually forgot to add those lines.
I get it. I don't know. I'm thinking about, you know, I always try to keep in mind the noobs that are going to use the system.
But it really felt intuitive to me, so...
It also feels intuitive to me as well. I mean, but that's because, you know, I like this kind of, you know, programming and stuff like that. You know, it looks like it makes sense, in my opinion. But maybe like for the noobs, since they got used to the PBS and stuff like that, maybe if I spread out the values that way, I'm not sure. I'll definitely have to think about this as well. But
in all honesty, the noobs are going to be using like as soon as they learn about that. So that's honestly just going to be abstract away anyway. So at that point, you might as well just go ahead and make a graphical interface for creating them, which would take up a lot of time.
Oh. I already did the UPI. I don't feel like doing any more graphical interfaces to make things easier.
Yeah, I can imagine that.
Yeah, I guess this could work like it could be something along the lines of like I don't even know how I would do it. Maybe something like if I had a notification handler and then .add, and it would like parse the text that's in there, if you know what I mean. Like in here you'd have stuff like panel dot new and blah, and then panel dot add, and then element equals value equals something like that. I mean, this could be, you know, it looks very...
Yeah, that actually works as well. Like that notification handler.add thing. That could actually work.
And then this entire thing would be on the online file or something like that.
Yeah. That could work.
Okay.
Insane new feature. Plugin utilities. RGSS coding. Just noticed that while looking.
Yep. No, the plugin utilities are a legit thing. This is where I first of all have my move animation tester thing, but I also have like for example, certain updates when I push out over the air, I need to include like new settings in the settings script and stuff like that. So that's how I do it. It's basically through this kind of code stuff. And then it gets injected. Messages, of course, but of course you can take a few ideas about book. Is new year. True. Have NPCs give you apps. The autosave could be done using internal save event every 10 to 30 seconds, or have an option to player to choose how often.
See, the problem there is
interface
just
have an autosave toggle. What? Oops.
See, the problem with your suggestion is just that if you have a legendary, for example, and it then happens to autosave like right after you accidentally defeat it, then yeah, I mean, of course there is the possibility to just back up the original save, but that could be a ton of saves really quickly if you want to keep them all.
No, I think having them separate in two separate autosaves is much better, and then like being able to choose between which one you want in the load screen. In the end, that's going to be a much easier. Like, let's say the default one option is always going to be the autosave, and then you can like scroll to the right to get the normal save, for instance.
Oh yeah, that makes
Should
sense.
autosave while in the Safari Zone or bug catching contest. Yes, it does make sense. Okay.
And I'm tempted, well, and it's happened during a story event either, of course. So literally during any event, pretty much.
Yeah.
That guide C also brought like something that might come in handy, because
What? Have the
having the autosave just be something that you define at points in the in an event.
Okay.
That way the end user would notice nothing different, pretty much.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, you could have the autosave trigger manually. That's.
Or you could do both. Of course, you
that's
could
not
do
an
both.
issue. That's.
Doing both would actually be ideal, because then you're also covered if you catch just a regular one with high IVs and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So both would actually probably be ideal.
True. That is true. But I mean, immediately, since I'm going to like make my quick autosave thing here, users can just like toggle it. I mean, run it easily through their script in the event. So that's definitely doable. Let me just see how I did the Safari and bug catching contest.
Anyway, what was I doing?
I know this is going to crash.
Wow, they changed the bandwave chat channel on the Nintendo Homebrew Discord to just bandwave info, because there was simply too much shit posting going on.
Okay, it doesn't crash. That's good. Too much shit posting going on. Gotcha. I don't know, man. This bandwave, it's taking the community by storm.
Pretty much.
Is the least I can say. You could as well just use PB
that has a whole other meaning to a guy on who moderates the Steinsgate Discord server, because Stormal was the name of that guy who did a ton of drama. So it took the community by storm. Has a whole other meaning.
Funny. Game.rx.game.autosave. I'm not going to just simply use PB save, because like I said, I want to keep the autosave file and the normal save file separate. Can autosave. Else frame is equal to 0. If at auto save frame is greater than at time to autosave. No. Quick autosave, and an autosave frame is equal to 0. Actually, I want to multiply this by graphics.framerate and time to going to be let's put it Like so, in seconds. Okay. I think I'm getting somewhere. Oh. What's with these names? Nameless name, hello. What's happening? I don't know. I'm doing some random script. And then Lars ist ein Spieler in der Josti Band. Josti Band? I don't know. Hello, man. Hello, welcome to the stream. Glad you could make it. It's always a pleasure seeing new faces and new weird names that I have to, you know, announce. Okay, time to autosave. Got that. Self autosave, can autosave. Return false. False if. And then I gotta check for the interpreter to see if it's doing something, I guess. You know what, since I have Chrome open?
I'm surprised that this stream hasn't turned into an anime shitstorm yet.
Yet. I'm restraining myself. Tomorrow, dude, Shingeki no Kyojin, another episode, Boku no Hero Academia.
Yeah, I'm only watching Shingeki no Kyojin this season pretty much. I really should do more though, but
yeah.
Let's see, is there anything else? I considered like just picking up Boruto for fun, just to see, since it's a new like just because I don't have to deal with all the fillers, so might as well just try it. I don't have to deal with the filler yet.
I tried watching Naruto once, and I don't know. It just wasn't. It wasn't for me. I couldn't get into it.
It probably isn't for me either.
Some people told me the Shippuden is even worse. So I don't know, man.
Yeah, I mean, I heard. I don't think it's going to be for me either, but might give it a shot. I mean, at least it's not Era Manga Sensei.
Oh, oh god, I'm watching that thing.
Also known as Emo 2.0.
Yeah, 2.0 with more lolly bait. Oh,
yeah,
but it's okay, they're not related by blood. It's so... look, I'll be honest, it's really trashy anime, but it's I don't know, for some... It's like this, for this sick, weird reason, it's kind of fun to watch.
Of course. I mean, I also watched Emo, so...
Yeah, I watched the series as well. Everything. So, with the specials, both seasons. Oh boy.
And this is... And the fact that I watched Emo is now on the internet forever to be seen. Fuck. Oh well,
yes,
no mind, it's
yes.
all...
We cannot... This bell cannot be unrung. Unless I delete this archive. Or maybe somebody
it's fine.
else
It's on my anime list, so...
Ah, okay. Mine too. Okay, game system map interpreter running. So I also don't want this then.
Somebody was like, High School DxD for the win.
High School DxD. I haven't watched it. I know I have seen all the memes off it, but I haven't watched it.
I watched like 2 episodes and then decided no.
Enabled. No, it's not intentional. Shut up, Marin. But yeah, no, High School DxD. Haven't watched it. I don't think I'm going to watch it. Generally, honestly, I'm really not a fan of ecchi shows. Really not a fan of those. Except Shokugeki. Like, Shokugeki was probably the best ecchi show I've watched.
No Game, No Life. It's awesome.
Oh, yeah. I liked it. No Game, No Life. It was okay for me. It was interesting. It was definitely, I don't know, I found it very easy to watch, you know? Like I could get into it easily. I could, you know, watch every episode easily. I didn't have to force myself. Like I've tried watching this by Studio Madhouse, the My Love Story, Ore Monogatari, and I'm on episode 14. And I've been stuck on episode 14 for the past 3 months or something like that. I just can't get it. It's a nice show. Like when you watch it, it's funny and all that stuff. They got some good memes, but I can't bring myself to watch more episodes.
I dropped Ore Monogatari for the sole reason that I could not stand the art style.
Yeah, it's definitely weird. But like. At some points, the art style is very good. Like episode 6, where he goes, you know, to what's the guy's name? The blonde hair dude. I can't remember. It's been so long since I watched the last episode. But anyway, he's like trying to practice kissing on a pillow and stuff like that. That whole conversation was, I don't know. I found like that the over-the-top art style for the manliness of the character was really good at that moment.
Implying that's not JoJo's.
What?
Implying that's not JoJo's.
I didn't watch JoJo's. No, I didn't. I don't. I know everything is a JoJo's reference these days, but I don't watch JoJo's.
I have, to be fair, I haven't
Naruto
finished
is
JoJo's
top 5
either. I've only watched like 3 episodes. Oh jeez, somebody är du handicapped, Luca? Literally means are you handicapped, Luca? In Danish.
Yes, I can pretty much figure it out. Är du handicapped, Luca? What's up, Luca? And hello. Well, thank you for the nice usernames and welcome to the stream. No, I'm pretty sure I'm not handicapped at the moment. Nothing much is up. Just chilling on stream. And Arena is definitely not best girl. And no, I'm not watching Reigns. From what I've seen, like this is what I've heard about Yu-Gi-Oh! Reigns. Oh my god, the animation is so great. The art style is so good. And then I like watched a few like parts of episode 1, and the animation looks like the crap Toei animation pulls, you know. It's no better than Dragon Ball Super's animation, and you know, I can't take Yu-Gi-Oh! Seriously. I've tried as an anime. I can't take it seriously because like the stakes are kind of stupid. I've tried to watch the last Yu-Gi-Oh! Movie that came out, Dark Side of Dimensions. I was actually quite hyped for it, and I started watching it. And then as soon as I saw, oh my god, like there's this dude, you know, who can like kill people instantly with his magic, like make them disintegrate. And like he comes up to Kaiba and goes to disintegrate him, but because of plot armor, Kaiba cannot be disintegrated. And he's like, oh, duel me, and yes, if I lose, you can kill me, no problems. And it's like the stakes are so weird, and I can't do Yu-Gi-Oh! Anymore. Sorry.
Cough, cough, literally.
I like the game. I like the card game. I like the card game. I like collecting the cards, playing the game, but no. Anime, no. Okay. What else? Autosave, if not enabled, if in Safari, if this thing is running. I'm assuming that's for events. Class interpreter, map events,
but
map
yeah,
player.
Cough, cough, Kirito, cough, cough. Regarding plot armor.
Yeah, best MC ever. Yeah.
Literally just hacks mode.
I don't get it. Yeah, I go to my anime list and I go like top favorited characters, and it's like Goku and Kirito, and what are you guys doing? Come on.
I swear, Kirito is a blood than Lukaku, and that's saying something.
I don't know, like Sword Art Online. I have this friend at university who like he despise would be too mild of a term, like the stuff he feels towards Sword Art Online. That's probably one of his most hated animes he's ever watched. So he just hates Sword Art Online so deeply, and then he's like, you gotta watch this, because he just wanted me to share like his shitty opinion, and so we can rant and rage and shit on Sword Art Online. And then I watched it.
Is that
No, it's
guy's
not the guy from
internet
last stream.
alias? Is that guy's internet alias observer?
What?
Guys,
This is the internet alias.
yeah, is it Observer of Time or Nightlight? Because then I know him, and he's literally that cynical.
No, that's not the guy. My guy is not very active when it comes to like posting and stuff like that, but he likes to complain in real life, you know. Ooh, he likes to shit about anime, like he hates intently. So I watched Sword Art Online, and it's like the first 3 episodes, they're actually kind of good, you know. I'm thinking to myself, oh my god, this has a pretty decent setup. Oh my god, the animation is nice, the soundtrack is really nice. I don't know why this guy's hating it. And then I watched it till the end. I had to force myself to watch it, and I mean, it wasn't as bad as he advertised it to be, but I didn't like it.
I mean,
what were you saying? The soundtrack?
I mean, the soundtrack in Sword Art Online was actually probably the best part of it.
Yeah, I think so too. It's if I'm not mistaken, it's the same people responsible for the Fate soundtracks, the ufotable Fate
really
versions,
which is also really great.
Yeah.
It's Yuki Kajiura. Also,
I can't remember off the top of my head. But the soundtrack was good, the animation was good, the action scenes were actually kind of well choreographed. I like those. Character designs were... they were okay, I guess. I understand what they were going for, you know. But the whole last arc, the Elfheim thing, and oof... It was just... My brain was hurting while I was watching it. Oof. Plot money, yes. Plot armor, plot money. I don't get it, man. Yu-Gi-Oh! It's so weird.
You could just try looking in general in Game Dev Cafe. That is Lukaku's quote-unquote Santa outfit.
Santa outfit. But he's a dude.
Yep. But he's a guy.
Yeah. Yep.
And let's see if I can compare
Persona
that
5?
to...
I'm not familiar with the Persona franchise. I've never played it, never touched it, never watched it if it's a thing to watch. So yeah, I guess I can't draw any inspiration from it if I have no idea what it is. Oh boy.
And yes, I have it's extracted.
What's that? Oh, that's how it's supposed to look?
Yeah, like that's how an actual
he's a
Santa
dude.
outfit. Yuri. I have all the sprites for all,
that's
like
right.
literally all of the
Right.
outfit.
That's cool. I don't know, man. When they make Zero, I'm definitely going to watch it, but I don't know if I should.
You
invest,
definitely what?
You know.
You cut out.
When Steins Gate Zero comes out, I'm definitely going to watch it. But I don't know if I want to be, you know, investing time into the visual novel right now and then getting hooked onto it. And yeah, it's not.
After you should
right
after
now for
funds. That. Yeah, after funds you should though.
Yeah. Yeah, after finals I have lots of plans to do some stuff. Definitely. Oh boy. I mean, who invented finals? What's the point?
True.
I think that's been 2 minutes.
Oh no. Japanese shaman goes, what the can you didn't die, didn't that all? No, seriously, Leskinen is such a fucking meme.
Nope, still not there.
Hold on, where is that? That is in a stray sheep, I think. No, it's not. That would be.
You're missing a lot of game design elements that could be learned from it, but also it's an anime as well. Okay, I guess I'll have to take your word for it, but like I keep saying, I don't know. I don't seriously, like the biggest mistake was probably picking up Zelda to play. Because I honestly no-life the crap out of that game. I already beat it. I got all the shrines. I maxed out all my gear. I have pretty OP gear, like taking care of Lionels is easy peasy. So if I did that again right now with other games, that wouldn't be a good strategic move, to say the least. Okay, so it's not saving when the event is running. That's good. That's good. Okay, so this works for the can autosave thingy. And then, of course, you can force it manually to disable it. You can force them manually the quick autosave. And then I'm going to have something that's going to pop up a notification when it autosaves. And for that, I'm going to lower the time it takes to autosave. And yeah, something very simple. Actually, or that new. Nope, no, that's not how it works. Width. Graphics.height viewport.z. I wanted to overlay everything else and notify sprite.new viewport and at notify dot bitmap is equal to, and now bitmap.new size 192 by 32 dot bitmap dot fill rect 00192 32 color dot new 0000 and 128 maybe. Set system font notify.bitmap, and now I wanna pb draw text positions dot bitmap and text. Whew. So until saving dot 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 x coordinate. I don't know. You know what? Let's actually center it. So 192 divided by 2. I think 2 for center line, if I'm not mistaken. Color dot new. It's going to be 255, 255, 255 for the base color. Shadow color dot new 0. No, actually not 0. Let's go 32, 32, 32. And then notify dot opacity is equal to 0. Pain is equal to 0. Actually -1. What did I want to? Def cell.trigger notification notify retain is equal to 0. And then graphics, not trigger, save notification. Trigger save notifications right here. It's a mouthful. And then in the update, I'm going to have this here. So, and notify dot opacity is going to be plus equals to 16 frames. If notify retain is less than 1, if notify dot opacity is greater than or equal to 255, add retain what else? Opacity minus equals 16 if is less than 0. And then okay, so basically if this is equal to 0 and this is less than 0, okay. Then if I retain plus equals to 2 plus equals 1, then add if, and I'm probably going to keep it on screen for like 2 seconds. I think that's decent. And then add notify. Is equal to -1. I think this should work fine. We'll test it out to see if the autosave notification pops up. And if it pops up, well. There's a PS3 emulator. Yeah, emulators have come a long way, man. After 15 seconds, this thing should save and we should get notified of the save. Come on, work, please. And that's been more than 15 seconds. I feel. And nope, it didn't autosave. Oh, is this map interpreter always running and not just during events? Probably. Ah. Shoot. Let's see player input. Game underscore player. Someone update input game system app interpreter running. I mean, that's what it does here as well. But actually, let's force it to autosave for now. Luca can't see the RGSS display. Wait. Oh, that's cool. Wait, let me check it out. Stop. I may have to cut out the... Yep. Yeah, this is definitely a scene. Guys, you're going to lose audio for a bit. Give me a second. There we go. Yeah. Okay, works now. There it is. There it is. I know, just a big puzzle piece. Okay, fixed. Thanks for letting me know. Thanks for letting me know. What else? No, this autosave thing is not triggering at all. Autosave enabled, true. If you can't autosave frame plus equals 1. Time to autosave. If autosave frame. If can't
Concentration
autosave.
intensifies.
Oh, I set it to false. God, no, concentration. Yeah, I should concentrate more. I can't talk and script at the same time. It's, ugh.
Same. That's pretty much also why I'm quiet at the moment.
And no, the RGSS display is pooped up again. Nope, it doesn't work. I don't know. I'll have to check it out later. It's for some reason every time I close RMXP, it doesn't work anymore. Okay, it's been 2 seconds, boy. And it's not auto saving. That's great. Okay, so graphics, it is in the graphics module, can autosave. Going to push it to true. 4. And nope, again it's messed up. I don't know, man. I'm going to have to take care of it later off stream. In my ooh, no, that's not what I wanted to press. That's not what I wanted to do. So it's not triggering. I don't know, I can't, like, from the logic it should work, right? Or wait, did I do this wrong? Easy mouse, self dot. Yeah. That's why. I don't know if a local variable method graphics autosave. Oh, input. Oh my god. Okay. I think this should be it now. No? No? Still nada? Oh, okay, the game autosave is there. It's autosaving, it's just not showing up the notification. Okay, but the can autosave works. That's good. It's autosaving now. I just gotta fix this up. Actually, if notify retain is greater than or equal to 0. Oh. Maybe that was why. Safari state. Okay. That's not gonna work. I'm going to have to check back with the methods and manually extract the thing responsible for checking it out. Nope, still no notification. It should pop up here. Oh boy. Viewport. Sprite new, bitmap, fill rect. Got it. System font, drone positions. Hachu.
Good.
Trigger save notification. Trigger save notification. Oh no, wait. Huh. Greater than 0. Okay, so it does autosave, but it doesn't do this one. Let's add additional checks. 2 for 5. Notify opacity, notify retain. Okay, so let me check the logic. I'm obviously missing something. Oh, come on. Oh boy, scripting at its finest. No, it still doesn't pop up. Even though the autosave is here. Dang it, my nose is getting blocked again. Too much streaming. Why do I always go into the menu? And for the rest of you guys watching, if you do have any ideas, additional stuff you want to see in the newly redesigned Pokegear stuff, let me know in Discord. Just leave your suggestions there. And after we're done with the stream, I'm going to go over everything and add it on to my main list here. So I have an idea of, you know, what to work on. Hey, I think it's a pretty sweet deal.
Meanwhile, I'm just being quiet. Too quiet. Occasionally,
it's okay, man. Yes, but why though? Trigger save notification. Will I work on it off stream? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Definitely. Come up with a general design, start the coding and stuff like that. You know what? Thinking about this now. Dot x is equal to graphics width minus 192. Graphics dot height minus like so. And maybe I do want to get rid of this thing. Let's try it like so. I mean, every time it saves, it should trigger the notification anyway. Nope. It's not showing up. And this... like so. And maybe I could give this guy a color. Alpha value blended one. Mm-hmm. This is the notify retain to 0. Is this going to fix anything? I doubt it. I doubt it. Hey Luca, how far are you with the new bag and party screen? Not far, not far, not far. I think I remember you had the trouble of coming up with an idea for the back screen though. No, I've actually come up with an idea I'm okay with. Where is it?
Questing interface.
Something like this. Questing interface, yes. This thing. That's kind of the main idea. Actually, let me switch to this thing here. No. There. Oh, that's dope. So this guy's giving me grief. And these are mutually exclusive. I don't understand. I don't understand. And nothing. Oh, Jesus. Jeez. Look at the back. Yeah, same back at you. At least the scroll bar is better. Now, this is just a concept idea, obviously, from the title you can tell. Oh wait, you can't see shit. Same back at you. Scroll bar is nicer, blah blah blah. At least, you know. It's concept idea, concept says it, you can't see it. Dang it. It's right here in the name. Let me turn the auto scene switcher on again because I'm going to forget again. Right. Right. Okie dokes. This guy is not working. Capacity is equal to 255. There we go. Hopefully, please work this time around, please. Oh, and the RGSS player works as well, the capture. Look at this. Everything fell right into place. Oh, dude. This is seriously annoying.
Are we at the classic
mess up the
case
name
of?
here.
Are we at the classic case of my code doesn't work? I don't know why.
Yes, yes. Like from the logic, from what I can tell, it should be working. Yeah. I mean, the quick save saves. It triggers the save notification. The save notification sets the notify retain to 0. Usually it's -1. And when it's at 0 or greater, the opacity goes up. Otherwise, it goes down. And... like, am I missing something incredibly obvious here? I don't understand. How could this happen to me? Why are we still here? Just to
Why
suffer.
did this happen to me?
Disappointed. You know what? Let's set it to 1. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Work, dang it. Man. And nothing. Absolutely nothing. That's... I have to say, it's quite... It's quite annoying, you know? I'm obviously missing something for the autosave. I just can't think of anything. Like, this code makes sense to me. You can randomly change your usernames on YouTube, right?
Yeah, you can.
Ah, okay. Yeah, still, yeah. Maybe the issue is not there. Maybe the auto-saving thing is not working at all. And the RGS player is not recording again. Oh, so every time I have this folder open, it records this instead. Oh, I know why, because it's called Pokemon Essentials. Ah, smart.
GG.
Yeah. It makes sense. As soon as I close it, there we go. Yeah, okay. I get it. It's stupid. OBS looks for the name of the program instead of the actual executable. Okay. Maybe I should set it to class. Message retracted. No, bring back your message. Dang it. Got disconnected for several minutes. It is a joy. It is a joyous thing. Why is this the most complicated part of my adventure today? Why? What am I missing? New.
Undefined shit. Line 9. Oh. That's because I forgot Nest. GG. Alright, that should be working, but that's most likely just because I don't have I selected. But I'm going to install that now. Seriously though, Droid Sans fallback, best font.
What?
Droid Sans fallback. That's the best font.
What do you mean? Arial.
Droid Sans
know,
Master Race.
Nah, I don't know. I really like Myriad Pro, like this font. I think it's an Adobe exclusive type deal thingy.
Yeah, but Droid Sans fallback is just so good. Gets used in the VN for Steinscape. Hold on, if I can just get the actual VN.
Yeah, man, I really like this font. I haven't played around with too many fonts. It's strange. I should get back to playing with fonts. But first, to figure out what the like, there is no way this cannot, like, this conditional is not true. How is this conditional not true if it autosaves? Like, dude. The fudge, dude. Seriously? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Is the save failing?
Just let me speak again.
Oops. I think the save could be failing, which is why this thing isn't working. Let's try to let's go dot back.
Fuck, I should really replay this. The intro to the intro movie to the original is just hooking me in already.
That good?
It's simply good eye-opener to how serious the show actually is and what it's about.
Man, you're just making me want to get into this thing. But no, I must resist. Ah, no, I deleted my data. No. Oh.
Now we're getting to the
Welp.
to the intro speech. The universe has a beginning, but it has no end. Infinite. Stars too have a beginning, but they are by their own power destroyed. Finite. His story teaches that those who hold wisdom are often fuck. I cannot keep up. Right. Whatever.
Whatever.
I'm also just waiting for this.
I found the cause of the issue.
Fail save or
the auto saving thing. No, the save is failing constantly, so the auto saving doesn't work. Basically. And I think I may know why.
Best font. Just linked it.
Hey, thanks. You made our life better.
Well, just linked what it looks like. The font again. It is included with the game actually, just loosely. So I might as well just send it.
Yeah. Dang it. Okay, let's go back into the save screen. Oh no, this is just copying the stuff. Maybe this thing is screwing it up. It's not dumping graphics, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
Yeah, I literally opened both the ends just to screen.
I couldn't hear you.
I opened
my connection
both.
Today keeps breaking up.
I opened both visual novels just to get a screenshot of the damn fonts.
That's some dedication. Oh yeah.
Man, I'm the master of cancel. Just never finishing projects.
You have a big queue there and stiff competition.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Also some stuff in Renpai that I never finished either.
Now this is not triggering again. When it should be. Sigh. This auto-saving thing is more annoying than I thought it would be. Yo. Not for everything one. Oh. Yes, if only I wasn't this stupid. That'd be great. Return false. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's save this shit. Nah, it still keeps failing. Whatever, I'm going to have to look into this in depth. I can't think and try to hold the stream at the same time. It's just Murida. It's not possible.
Mudadada.
Yeah. Man. Okay, yeah, well, basically this was a nice productive waste of time. I'm going to continue working on this. And like I said, I'm going to continue developing this concept here further. Yeah, definitely. Oh, welcome back, Marin. Glad you could make it. Yeah. Holy cow, it's been almost 3 hours.
Holy cow, so I said
Two
we
hours,
should come
42
soon.
minutes. Yeah.
Holy cow, so I said we should come soon. An actual quote from
Come
Steins
somewhere.
Gate Zero.
Ah. Look at me, I'm quoting stuff I haven't played or watched. I'm that, you know, I can see the future. It's true. Confirmed.
It's Leskinen. He's a
like
it's Leskinen. He's a fucking meme. Hold on.
I don't know who that guy is or girl.
What's wrong, Moraine?
Yo. I don't know. He's butthurt because his thing is not working. His voice.
Oh man, I actually had it right at the quote.
For the thing?
Yeah, like for
Yeah,
the ultimate meme, the Steins Gate Zero memes.
You're so much more talkative if you just chat. Oh boy. Oh boy. After all the work I had to go through, you know, to get you, to sponsor you on the channel.
There we go, found it. Holy cow,
do
so
this,
shit, we should
man.
come soon. Also, I'll just send along the voice file because it's that memey.
These days, everything related to anime is a meme.
True. Is that a JoJo reference?
Anime is.
The voice files.
Maybe.
The Opal Eclipse. Holy cow, so I said we should come soon to OGG.
And my nose is getting completely stuffed. Oh boy. Your voice ain't working, Lemao. Yes. I'm so much more talkative if I just chat. Okay.
Oh my
And I'll put
god,
the
the
chat.
English in this is so fucking bad.
I always like seeing good English, and you know the thing that like the best thing to watch about Fate Stay Night Unlimited Blade Works is when Rin is trying to do all these German chants, and the voice actor does such a bad job at speaking German. It's hilarious to watch.
I am the bone of my sword.
No, I don't have a problem with that. That's okay. I know Unlimited Blade Works, but it's like when Rin goes, I don't know, one of her chants was like "Es ist groß, es ist klein," and then oh my god, the way that like those lines were delivered, it's
Oh yeah, true.
so bad, man.
Yeah, that was so bad. Then try taking a listen to that file I sent.
I will definitely, but once in the stream, you know.
Man, I want to hear. Yeah, I want
from
to.
the game.
Yeah,
Okay.
I want to hear a reaction.
Let me fetch the file.
Holy cow! So I said we should come soon.
What the fuck? What the hell?
Holy cow! So I said we should come soon.
Yeah.
Oh my
as
god,
I
that
said,
reminds me of that. The way PewDiePie keeps promoting that video. I mean that movie because it's so bad. The Room by this. I can't remember the guy's name. The actor slash director slash everything. Like this voice acting, it reminds me of one of those scenes. I wish the autosave thing wasn't a pain. That way you could have worked on your Pokegear replacement interface more. Yeah, I don't know. This autosave thing is causing trouble where trouble shouldn't be.
but yeah, as I said,
I mean, it's still.
Oh, go ahead.
No, you finish up.
Basically, as I said, Leskinen is such a fucking meme. It's insane.
Yeah, great voice acting. Great voice actor. But yeah, to the stream, the autosave thingy is... I'm going to have to investigate further why this thing keeps failing to save. So the save file gets corrupted every single time. Which I can't, you know, just like... I'd have to spend at least an hour. Awkward, yeah, awkward. Your face is awkward. Come join me on the stream. Fight me. I'm ready.
Fight me IRL, bro.
Yeah, fight me. I'm ready. I've been working out, preparing just to fight Marin. All my life, building up towards this one climactic moment. But yeah, should we call the stream a day here? I know I'm not going to get anything done anymore. Plus my nose is getting... It's just a moment of time before my voice goes as well.
Well, you are the person who is running the stream, so that's your choice.
Okay. At one point, I'll just rudely cut the stream and cut everyone with no outro. Also, going to get a new face on. Oh, that's nice. Can you buy those cheaply? I'm not sure. I haven't seen many faces on the market. But yeah. With regards to the YouTube channel thingy, I am, like I said, I'm working on a few new videos. The next video is going to be about the input module and how to construct like basic scenes in RGSS. So, you know, the basic procedure of having a loop and then the graphics update, input update, and how you can use the various input functions to detect certain types of input. And things like that. What inputs are actually defined in the system. Stuff like that.
That sounds
and
nice.
The next video is still a work in progress, so I'm not going to spoil it right now. Oh, look who's joined without a voice. We can't hear you, dude. Yes. when is the Pokédex coming? Oh, right. I should probably finish up the few. I have like, I think 2 things left to do. Actually, one of those 2 things is kind of big. I still have to do the search functionality of what's it called, the Pokédex. And then when that's done, I'll release it definitely. I just keep forgetting about it. It's that simple. It's like, oh, I should work on this. And then I don't work on it. And then I forget about it.
That's
and then
actually
I go play some Zelda.
Waste.
Yeah.
Because
Okay, right.
I have like 7 projects I have on hold that I just haven't finished.
Yeah, I have a similar-ish amount of things I'm currently kind of actively working on. Like, I'm working on 2 private projects for myself. One of those is a game I'm working, and that game actually has 2 engines, one which is 2D, one which is 3D, so I'm kind of working on like two engines at the same time, which is a bad idea. Then I got this university project that should be starting up, but it's like we can never get together, and it's just a pain in the butt. And then of course I got all my essentials projects, which I do or don't do. Project, same here. Projects on hold are the best projects. Yes, projects on hold are the best projects. I don't know, like the few things I've been actively working on was some of the soundtracks. Like I have a few I compiled here. Yeah. Yeah, you guys can't even see this. I was saying I have been working on I have 18 compiled right here, but I think I have like 32 work in progress soundtracks. At least 26 of those are fully finished, and then I have like a few of them to wrap up. I don't know, when I'm working on music, like one thing that bugs me a lot is the, what's it called, the rhythm, like getting the percussion to, you know, feel and work right. I don't know, I have a difficulty with that. And then like I get an idea for a soundtrack, and then I start working on the soundtrack and it sounds good to me, and I'm like, oh my god, yeah, and then I get stuck at one point and I can't continue from there. I don't know, man.
I know the feeling. That's basically me with one of my projects.
For every track, show more of your arms and eventually your face. Look, there's my face. You can see my face. It's right there on the right side of your screen. You can see my face. It's right there. Look at it. There's the face. There's... Oh, I should get a haircut. Oh, no. But I don't feel like doing so. Oh. I should get a haircut, but I don't feel like getting a haircut, you know. Definitely. And also, I don't have a webcam, so I'm not even going to try. So there was the 1000 oh yes, I'm going to name this stream 1000 subscriber special, because yeah, why not?
Including including terrible terrible guests,
co-stars,
co-hosts, yeah, who barely talk.
And I'm going to use your icons to put on the thumbnails, and maybe
I can send you a high-res one if you want.
Think of a clickbaity thumbnail. What?
I can send you a high-res one.
Yes. Yes. No.
Also have a transparent one if you want, because I bothered making that.
Nah, it's okay. Transparency. It's okay. Transparency, no transparency. I don't really mind. I can take care of that myself.
No, I mean like transparency as in
3 times more.
Removing the red background not being there at all.
Nah, keep the red background.
Alright.
If I really do want to, I can remove it later. But yeah, also Marion, send me yours. Send me your graphic high res thingy. Oh, I'm thinking, what clickbaity title should I put in? Yeah. Something like finishing up the online system for Essentials. Or finalizing, releasing Z moves for Essentials. Something like that, right? Is this Pokegear interface a part of your UI project? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. That was the main point. Because I don't know why the Pokegear is the only scene in all of Essentials that gets loaded differently, and it messes up my pause menu. So I decided, you know what? How about we rework the Pokegear script completely and change it up? And yeah.
We can see how well that went.
1500 by 1500.
Yep.
Oh, I mean, you said high res, but I wasn't expecting this high res.
I mean, I did not know how to do Illustrate at that point, so I just decided, let's just make it at a crazy high resolution.
So when it scales down, it looks good.
Yep.
Yeah. I don't know, man. I use Fireworks for all my creative needs when it comes to graphics design. Like, you can do a lot of crap on there. I really like the vector-based idea behind it. I mean, Illustrator is probably better than Fireworks is at some things. But I don't know. I found it easy to use. I found it easy to get used to and like to do stuff with it. So,
I mean, I should just get this vectorized at some point. It is probably really easy to vectorize. I just haven't bothered.
I can tell you in Fireworks it's quite easy. Like, you have the magic tool and then you just select the thing and you can convert your selected area to live vectors. And yeah. Fireworks flattened. You can even export flash files with Fireworks. That's cool. And it has Illustrator support as well, so you can export as Illustrator files. Nice.
Not that anyone would want Flash nowadays, though.
And also Photoshop PSDs. This thing got everything.
True,
Fireworks,
but
Master Race.
But not like anyone would want Flash nowadays.
I know. Yes, I agree. I'm not. I don't know. I've actually never tried like making a full animation with Flash. I've used Flash before to make like menus and stuff like that, but never like anything concrete actually. And I mean, Flash is not even supported on iOS and stuff
or
like
Android
that, so,
at this point.
Sad face. Really? Android also doesn't support Flash.
Not anymore.
Oh, I wasn't aware.
And Chrome
That's
is
nice.
also Chrome on desktop is also starting to phase it out.
Wow, that's nice. I guess Apple was onto something.
No, it's just that
Yeah, guys, I can't. What?
it's just that Flash is literally just, well, trash compared to HTML5, so
Yeah. When it comes to performance and eating up RAM and stuff like that, yeah, I've read the stuff. But if I'm not mistaken, Adobe still keeps it up to date.
they do, but I suspect it's going to be less and less.
Yeah, most likely. Guys, I can't breathe through my nose anymore. I'm going to have to stop this stream right here. As usual, with the outro, I do want to say thank you guys for watching, for tuning in this week. Sorry that there wasn't any stream last week, but hey, I mean, you can see I'm out of ideas, out of creative energy, and last week especially was a hectic weekend for me, so I couldn't dedicate more time onto the YouTube stuff. But also thank you for Davixxa and to Marin for joining me on today's stream. Hopefully we're going to have more of these like along the road. You know, I'm always for, if anyone wants to join, you know, for the voice, of course, you know, for the sake of the safety of the stream, to say, you know, I do want to know who you are first, right? That's why I have the Discord stuff there. You know, we get to know each other, and then you can come over and everything. Because the last thing we need is like some trolls coming and ruining the fun for everyone, or not being chill in general, stuff like that. But yeah, thank you guys for keeping me company at this point. I guess I don't know, it's kind of weird when I'm alone here and then just, you know, talking to the mic and doing stuff like that. I mean, the interaction with the chat is there. The chat is always lively, which I do like. This is why I like the streams. But having somebody there is also nice. Like last time it was Glavash, and this time Davixxa and Marin. And yeah, next stream as well, hopefully, if you guys are interested in that sort of stuff. I have this whole Discord thing set up, so it's not a problem, you know? And it's actually very easy to get people onto the live stream.
It's
Any
actually rather nice. Not much, other than it was a pleasure being on, really.
Yeah, same pleasure having you. And yeah, if you guys haven't already, you know, the Discord is there. The link and the GG thingy is in the top right corner of the screen, as always. Join there. We do have, I mean, it depends like on the parts of the week and your like certain parts of the day, like how active people get, you know, personal lives and stuff like that. But I would say we're fairly active on Discord, right? I think we have some decent discussions.
Yeah, like
we do banter a bit. We have anime. We have shit posting.
Yep. I mean, even my server I'm out of like 700 members still has dead moments, so it's not even like,
yeah, of course. I mean,
has moments where it's no posts at all. So I would say we're actually doing pretty well on here.
Yeah, luckily Marin is online 24/7, so he can keep the peasants entertained, you know.
And pretty much the same with me, actually.
I don't know. I'm like, Ruben kept asking me today, like, why are you always online, offline, online, offline? There's this thing called Discord on mobile, you know, and like when I go to university and I'm bored at the lecture, then I, you know, whip out my phone and open Discord and stuff like that.
Same.
But yeah, I'm fairly active on Discord. Like sometimes, and actually a lot of times, not sometimes, I do, you know, log in and keep my Discord logged in while I'm away from my laptop. But safe to say, every messages that are directly like addressed, you know, forwarded towards me, I do respond to. So I don't know. I don't think the communication is an issue at this point, and I think Discord is a really nice tool for that. I really do like it, and the sound quality is, again, since the rest of my family lives on a different continent, you know, we've tried all kinds of voice over IP technologies. We've used WhatsApp, Facebook audio, Viber, Skype like was the biggest thing we've used before, and I have to say the sound quality on Discord is probably the best out of all of this. So
I can agree. That's the reason I
satisfied
switched from Skype. So
yeah, I had so many issues with Skype lately. Ugh. I had to make a full switch, and I even dragged Maruno's ass over here as well, which is nice. Now we got him on Discord.
Yeah, that's nice. I mean, I also have some friends yet to be backed over. I should probably do that.
Yeah, so I'm trying to think of what else to say. I don't have anything on my mind. That's definitely a thing. Okay, for any future, you know, planning when it comes to organizing live streams, what to do, who to have on, let me know, and we'll work definitely something out. But like I said, I do like having company with me. It's cool. It's definitely dope. And I mean, you can even do what Marin did, you know, just, oh, I'm gonna join, and then, oh, the mic is not working, and blah, 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 boohoo, cry me a river. Have to turn my PC on real quick and send you the graphic. Send me the nudes. Send me the nudes. Don't send me the graphic. Send me the nudes. But yeah, okay, that's going to be it for me. I do need to unstuff my nose. I want to eat something as well. It's past midnight at my place.
Yeah, same actually. Same time zone.
I haven't eaten anything since lunch. I mean, this mass is not going to, you know, maintain itself. Yeah.
I don't want my mass to be maintained, so...
Yeah, same. You know, I'm going strong right now. I have to keep on eating. Okay, parting words, or you're
well,
just, you know.
not really. I think I've said most of what I want to say. I could chill out my channel, but yeah, there's no need to.
Yeah, you can. You can if you want to. That's not a problem. If you have anything to advertise, feel free to do so.
Well, I do have a YouTube channel where I occasionally upload content, but that's like once in half a year, so feel free not to subscribe.
I mean, the audience I have on my channel is not very big, so I don't think you're going to have much benefit from my audience. But
exactly,
hey, you know, if you want to plug something, if you want to plug something, sure, go ahead.
Yeah, exactly. That was why I plugged that with that. Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Dutch to English accent converter, or what kind of accents we need? I don't know. Maybe if we get Glavas on next week. I don't know how long he's going to stay in Germany. I think a week more, probably. I don't know. Whatever. I'll message him. He could join us as well. Troll a bit. This noob, programming noob. All he does is Python. Blech.
And I do multiple stuff, but mainly Python. Anyway, I think if you need to get something to eat, it's probably a good idea to do that now. Yeah,
it's probably a good idea. And actually, I don't agree that Python is ass. I like Python. I like Python's syntax and everything about it. But yes, trigger warning. Brr. I don't know. Python has extensive like user support. It's got huge libraries for all kinds of crap, and like pretty much you can find everything, like how to do everything with Python. So I think Python in that aspect is actually really good. Huge support, huge community. Very popular on Linux. Good for server-side things. Yeah, it's good. It's got positive. And the syntax is nice as well. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely going to end the stream right now. Again, thank you for joining. And enjoy the rest of the evening or day or whatever may be happening. But yeah, bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Next week, same place, same bad channel. Definitely live stream, okay? Anyway, take care.